Outdure's here. Come on, yeah, bring it back.
Gonna take you long, Dan?
Nah, look, this Outdure system, I reckon we could whip this up within half hour to an hour. Very quick, very easy, very light, it's durable.
So is this all just a clip-together system, is it?
Pretty much a mechanism.
Yeah.
Speed of install is extremely fast,
Yeah.
and anyone can do it, so whether
Nice.
you're a DIY or builder.
There's so much to do, painting, carpentry. We're lucky we've got the Outdure system, because you look at how much decking they've got to do. If that was out of timber, there's 3 or 4 days worth of work. They've done this in this morning.
Fantastic system, just the way it all, clicks together.
So good.
Tile or deck, up to you. So
like
it's a
that.
composite decking board, so you don't have to worry about maintenance. It's all capped, so there's no colour fading and all that.
Oh, fantastic.
We did that at our house.
This is fantastic. The way these pavers tiles just slot in. This will be done in 2 hours. Wow, that's amazing. Outdure.
Good old Outdure.
I love it.
How good is Outdure?
Absolutely amazing. It's the best product going around. It's so easy. We learnt this overnight.
Super fast, durable, and allows you to work with not your normal traditional, just one material. Allows you to mix it up.
So easy.
Mate, where's the timber?
Mate, don't worry about timber. Lightweight aluminium.
Lightweight, and doesn't rot, termite resistant.
Termite resistant, mate, like
Lightweight,
panel.
strong.
Strong. You can choose your tiles in here, your hardwood, resort deck composite, or any composite in that matter.
Oh, what?
Wow.
This is fantastic.
Yes.
I love it.